Hello guys, good day guys. Welcome to the second video of Who Wants to Be Millionaire project. Alright, we appreciate all those that watched our last videos, those that subscribed, and yeah, there was one comment from Festus. Yeah, Festus said you could not see our mouse from the video, the first one, right? So Festus worked on that. Thank you very much for your comments. Now our mouse is up and is running, so I hope you get to understand this video better now. Alright, so okay, the task now, we are going to step two. Yeah, the first design of our interface, the first phase of our interface, how it will look like. Alright, so now open your Visual Studio. Mine has already been opened now, so as you can see. So you go to your Visual Studio. What you do is start of just then open your project. Now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to add a background image to this form to make it more beautiful. Alright, but before I add that, let me quickly remind you guys that I've downloaded lots of Who Wants to Be Millionaire pictures for my project, so you can also do the same. You can download them so that you get to using picture choice to make the project more beautiful, right? Okay, so now to add the background image, click on this project on the form once, then locate background image. Alright, it's right here. Your properties, locate background image, click on that drop down arrow there. Now what you do is you import. Click on import. Now if you click on import, okay, what you do by default supposed to show you your desktop like this. Okay, so what you're going to see your desktop, you locate the folder where you have saved your images, like me is in my Millionaire. Double click, then you come up, then you select the picture that you will be using. For me, let's see which picture. I'll take this one. Take that one. Now click on OK. So you can see my pictures are kind of repeating themselves. You can see here is one picture, here is the second picture, right? But we can modify that image now. That error rather, sorry. Now to solve this problem, all you do, just go below your background image. You see your background image style is style, so just change the style from type, then make it stretch. Alright, you see it's now one image. Okay, so you can move your form anywhere you like, so like this, so it's still one image. Okay, now we need labels and buttons for this. Okay, so you go to your properties, toolbox rather. Now you're in your toolbox. What you do is drag a label inside the form, one label. Now drag the button inside the form. Okay, the button. So we'll be working with this label now. Now for the label, go click on the label once, then come to your properties here. Properties. Now look for auto size. Auto size here. Make it false. Now you can adjust your label, right? Adjust your label to whatever size you like. Like I said, it's your project. Feel free to make modifications. Make the project really nice. Yeah. Okay. So I think this size is enough for me, like this. Okay, I think it's okay. Now I'm going to make my label transparent. Alright, so I'll go to my background color. Go to background color where they make it transparent. Good. Now the border style, I'll make it face 3D. Like you see it is a little bit here, you can see it here. My label is like kind of outline itself there, just there. Yeah, good. I'm going to work on my button. On my first button, I'm going to work on my button, make it more attractive. See, the button is not that sexy. Alright, let's make my button look beautiful, make it sexy. Okay, so now to make the button really beautiful, what I'll have to do, add image. Yeah, add an image to my add an image. Okay, what's my button image? Also downloaded, you can see my folder for button, downloaded buttons, make buttons for my okay. Alright, this import this one, and use that. I'll do, I'll make this stretch. I'll make it stretch to fit in, because you can see it's right there. Okay, it's just there. Alright. Okay, good. Alright, that's not all I'll be doing to my button. My flat style, I'll make it flat. Then it's flat appearance here. I'll increase the border. Let's say 3. Okay. Then my border color. What is this? Okay. Alright. I think that's a little bit too sharp, right? Anything so? Yeah, I think so. It's a little bit too sharp. So then let's change that. Let's change that. Let's see. Let's merge this color. This color. Let's take it on. Alright, this. Yeah, I think I like it. This is better. Alright. So button. These are my head button. Now I'll duplicate this button. Alright, let's see. Any button, I'll duplicate this one. I'll copy. Right click, then paste. Alright. Right click, then paste. I'll be bringing for help here. Paste again. Good. Right, then this is okay for my help. As you can, I'm using my keyboard to the arrows in my keyboard to move my buttons closer to each other to make them like together, yeah, like that. So you can see my buttons are just there. Alright, so you can decide to use whatever help, but my first help here will be, first step will be show the answer. Show answer. Okay, and when you click on this, it's supposed to show you the answer to that question without any ado. You don't have to space yourself. Then this one will be 50-50. Removes 2 incorrect answer, leaving 1 correct answer and 1 incorrect answer, right? Then the second one will be stop the timer. I'm going to stop the timer. Stop the timer. Stop timer. Stop time. Then this last one will be add time. I'll add a specific time to it. We'll get to that. Don't know how much time I'll add yet, but we'll get to that. Okay. Let's see. How about work on my buttons like this? These buttons. Okay. Yeah. My 4 color. Let's make my 4 color white. Like that. Then that color. The font size. Yeah. Work on my font size. Font size. Let's make it bold. Let's make this 9. So let me make that 10. Let me make that 10. I think that's okay. So do the same for the other buttons, white. Okay. Bold. Okay. Like that. So down to white. Then font style, bold, and 10. And lastly, I think this bold didn't work out well. Let me see. Bold, yeah, bold. Okay, there you go. Now the last one, make it white. Font color white. Then make this one bold and make size 10. Alright. Okay, now if I should click on this button, there's supposed to be an action that indicates that I've clicked on this button. So I'll just write a piece of code here now. But before I do that, I'll add something to my resource. I'll add a picture to my resource, yeah. I'll add right click on the resource, add existing item. Alright. Existing item. Click on all files. Now I'll go to my desktop. Now locate my Millionaire folder. Locate the folder. Then my buttons. In my buttons, I'll add the red button. The red one. Okay. Put my button in there. So what I'll do now is that I want that anytime I click on this button to show that I've clicked on this one, so that I won't be able to click on this option again, I want it to do something. So double click on this button, this first one, then write button 1 dot background image is equals to mine dot resource dot images. Images is not here yet. Images is not here yet. Alright, this thing I will refresh it. My images. Sorry about that. Let's see why it's not here. Okay, you know what? Okay, let's click on Millionaire. Go to properties quickly. Image 3. There. Okay. Now what I'll do is, okay, bring out my images from here. I'll drag and drop them right here. I'll drag and drop my images right here. So this is another way to add images to the resource. Okay, so I think it's even better. I can drop it here. Yeah, replace that. Okay, then I also drag and drop the other buttons too. Button on this. So I'll drag and drop this button here. Yes, I'll do that. Then lastly, I'll drag my last image, this one. Okay, I used this one before. Nah, I don't have to open that to drag it here. Yeah, replace. Okay, good. So that is that. So what I will do now is to let my image, my resource dot images. There you go, images. Sure. Alright. Then let's say I will make the border color. Yeah, make the border color red too. Button 1 dot flat appearance dot border color equals to red. Color of red. Alright, so let's run the program and let's test this. Alright, run the program, let's see what we have here. Okay, good, it runs fine. Now if I click here, I want that anytime I click on this button, to show that I've clicked it, something should happen. So I click, it changes to red. Yeah, that is it, changes to red. Now that it is red, nobody can use it again. So we'll do that for all the other buttons too. Yeah, that's all we'll do, that's all we use. Yeah, I think that's nice. That's pretty nice. Okay, no, it's the first phase of the design. The design is not that easy, so we still have the second phase to go. So the third video, take you to the second phase of the design. Hope you understand this. You don't want the video to be too long. Please subscribe to the channel, like our videos, place your comments, anything, work on it, respond to it. Really appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. So we'll stop here for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.